Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and tonight we're gonna fight the coronavirus with an infusion of vitamin C and orange chicken. I should be headed to jail for what I'm about ready to do to this orange, but you know what? Get some orange zest going, grate it, works out. Oh yeah. Alright, now I'm going to show you how not to juice an orange here. But a little blood orange action, a little blood never hurt anything. I guess I just wanted to smash it, but I was poor advised. I just wanted to smash though. Thought it would be better, thought it would be good, but it was ill advised. Waste a lot of time, create a mess, a sticky mess. But that's the end of it, so it wasn't the end of the world. Okay, you're seeing trying to salvage it, yeah. Looks like the pie from American Pie. Thanks, Jim. Poor orange. I'll just tell your mother we ate it all. See how much juice I got out? Okay, this is the right way. Quarter your orange, squeeze it. Or you can invest in a little juicer, I'm sure that costs about $2, if that. Anyways, juice orange, it's good. Put it in your measuring cup, about, a quarter cup or 2 orange worth. Put it in there, you're off to a good start, good base. Quarter cup of honey. Tablespoon of white wine, tablespoon of soy sauce. A real bummer about the government shutting down everything in China, but here's my opportunity for growth here. Tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Tablespoon of rice vinegar. You can substitute, but it'll change the flavor. Clove of garlic, diced, crushed, whatever. A little bit of fresh ginger, grated. Some orange zest. Yep. Add a little bit of cayenne, a little bit of black pepper. Mix it all together. Taste it. If it tastes good, great. Otherwise, adjust it to your taste. Alright, chop 1 to 2 chicken breasts. This is 1, about an egg each. Give it a good covering of flouring. Now mix it in there, and this get you in a fetish site, but that's cool as long as they subscribe. Nobody likes lurkers. If you're gonna lurk, might as well subscribe to the channel. But if you're a lurker, I got a secret message coming up for you. Oh, there it is. Alright. You can fry your chicken whatever oil you want, but I use peanut oil. I think it works best for this. Don't put too much in at once or you drop the temperature of your oil, and then your chicken will just be soggy and sad. Fry it until it's golden brown, like this. This is done. Nice crispy. You could refry it, but you don't need to. See? Nom 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 nom. Alright, put the chicken back into the pan. It's hot with oil. Put your sauce in. You could reverse those, it doesn't really matter. Bring the sauce to boil. Want to keep your chicken moving. Stir often. Now, if it's not thick enough for you, you can add some flour, stir it in, whatever your preference is. Now, if you add a bunch of flour, you gotta stir, otherwise it'll clump up, and you don't want that. Alright, there we go. Looking good now. Bring it on, Panda. Bring it on. I guess you could make orange panda if you had access to a panda bear to shoot and kill. Add some sesame seeds if you want, some green onion or chives maybe. I don't know, something green to make it look good. I'll be fancy, add an orange, hit up the Instagram. There you go. Fighting the government shutdown of Chinese food.